Hey everyone, Jason Zwolak here of the Zwolak Group with First Team and Christie's International Real Estate. I hope you're having a great Tuesday. For those of you tuning in for the first time, each week I tackle different real estate topics, all in the hopes of helping you navigate the world of home buying, selling, and investing. Today's video is extremely important for all of you, whether you currently own a home or are thinking of buying. However, I must preface this with a disclosure. I am not a real estate planner, a financial planner, or an attorney. This video is for informational purposes only, and it is not advice. If you have any questions about your personal estate, you need to contact legal counsel. Now that that's out of the way, let's dive in. Estate planners often recommend living trusts as a viable option when contemplating the manner in which to hold title to real property. When a property is held in a living trust, title companies will have particular requirements to facilitate the transaction. To help understand this topic a little more, I have compiled 7 common questions about living trusts. Let's go. Question number 1. Who are the parties to a trust? A typical trust is the family trust, in which the spouses are the trustees and their children are the beneficiaries. Those who establish the trust and transfer their property into it are known as the trustors or the settlers. The settlers usually appoint themselves as trustees, and they are the primary beneficiaries during their lifetime. After their passing, their children and grandchildren usually become the primary beneficiaries if the trust is to survive, or the beneficiaries receive distributions directly from the trust if it is to close out. Question number 2. What is a living trust? The living trust is created during the lifetime of the settlers as opposed to being created by their wills after death. A living trust usually terminates after the settlers pass away and the body of the trust is distributed to the beneficiaries. Question number 3. Can a trust hold title to real property? No. The trust does not hold the title to the property. The trustee holds the property on behalf of the trust. Question number 4, is a trust the best way to hold my property? Only your attorney or accountant can answer that question. Some common reasons for holding property in a trust are to minimize or postpone death taxes, to avoid a time-consuming probate, and to shield property from attack by certain unsecured creditors. Question number 5, what taxes can I avoid by putting my property in a trust? Married persons can usually exempt a significant part of their assets from taxation and may postpone taxes after the first of them passes. I know I sound like a broken record, but you should definitely check with your attorney or accountant before taking any action. Question number 6, can a trustee borrow money against the property? A trustee can take any action permitted by the terms of the trust, and the typical trust agreement does give the trustee the authority to borrow and encumber real property. However, not all lenders will lend on a property held in a trust, so check with your lender first. And lastly, question number 7, can someone else hold title for me in trust? Some people who do not wish their names to show as title holders make private arrangements with a third-party trustee. However, such an agreement may be illegal and is always inadvisable because the trustee or record is the only one who is empowered to convey or borrow against the property. And a title insurer cannot protect you from a trustee who is not acting in accordance with your wishes despite the existence of a private agreement you have with the trustee. These questions and answers will give you a better understanding of a living trust. However, the decision to create a living trust is one not to be taken lightly. You must speak with an attorney or accountant to find out if this is the right decision for you. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you're notified every time I post. I post new videos every week. If you have any questions, send them to me directly or write them down in the comments below. I will be sure to answer them as I'm here to help in any way that I can. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and until next time, take care everybody.